Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Last week I visited three of my local thrift stores and found a few things that I was in love with. If you have seen my last video, you would have known one of them was this table lamp. I paid only $8 for it after the discount, and I knew it would be perfect for a little project. I've always loved this kind of old antique pottery lamps from those high-end stores like Pottery Barn, Restoration Hardware, or McGee & Co. And that's what this table lamp reminded me of. Whenever I got anything from a thrift store, very first thing I do is to clean and sanitize the item thoroughly. I just use the household cleaner to clean up the entire piece, and then sprayed it with the high alcohol to disinfect. Once it's all cleaned up, it's time to start the makeover. There are some chips at the bottom. I need to fill them with some wood plaster first, and then sand them smooth after dry. I've shared some DIY thrifted lamp and vases makeover videos before, and the method I'm using for today is much simpler and easier. These are the Waverly's chalk paint. The lighter color is called mineral, and the darker color is truffle. I first pour some mineral into the container, as I want to add some thickness and texture to the ceramic lamp base, so I'm adding 1 spoon of baking soda into the chalk paint. Mix them together and then apply. When brushing the paint onto the lamp base, you want to go around circles horizontally as the natural pottery texture would appear. In my previous videos, I did many projects using chalk paint. It's so easy to apply, can be worked on many surfaces, and doesn't require much of prep work, as long as the surface has been cleaned thoroughly. And most amazingly, it won't chip or peel off afterwards. After first coat, let it dry, and then start the second layer. This time, I'm going to add a little of truffle into the mineral. And then add the baking soda into the paint. This time, I'm adding about 2 spoons to increase the thickness. Then use the brush dab the mixture onto the lamp. This technique will increase the thickness and the texture to the surface. I brush and dab the second color over the first, leaving some spots of the first color showing through here and there. This will create the variations in texture. After the second coat dry, I again pour these two colors together, add 2 spoons of baking soda, and then simply stir a few times. Don't need to stir it too well, just leave it as you can still see the different colors. Then use the brush, dabbing and brushing the mixture onto the surface. If some spots are too dark, you can dab a little light color to blend it. Make sure the two colors are naturally blended together, and the less artificial traces, the better. I still have a little bit of robin buff left over on hand. The color is antique gold. As it's been there for a long time, it has dried out. But it's not a problem. I just use my cosmetic cotton pad, rubbing it onto the hardware to give it a bit more vintage look. The lampshade was broken when I was driving home, probably because I put too many things on the back seat, and got the lampshade damaged during the trip. So I went to Home Depot and bought a new lampshade with the hardware. The lampshade was a bit smaller than I expected, but it's over 100 degrees outside this week. So I decided to take this one. That way I don't have to be running around in this heat. I am absolutely in love with how this lamp turned out. Large earthy pottery pieces are still very popular right now. If you buy them in the designer stores, they'll cost you a fortune. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you all next time.